I'm here for the continuing education event that's being put on by Summit Eyecare at beautiful AmFam Field.
They always kind of do different things, that's why I like coming here. It's a good time and they'll definitely get some good stuff to remember back in clinic.
The panel that they put together is fantastic. Knowing your referral sources for when something weird is in your chair or something you haven't seen, just knowing that there's support out there, like they get really good outcomes with the expertise that we're able to refer to.
Learn about new techniques and some interesting cases that can help us in our clinical decision making, and just all sorts of random tidbits and keeping up with the latest and greatest technologies that there is in eye care. They always do a fantastic job. I always leave learning something and always love the venue as well.